Okay, this project is for the United States Homeland Security. They contacted us and they wanted us to install a unit so for the canine dogs when they're inside the vehicle and the officer leaves, if the car gets hot, it will honk the horn. Basically, what we decided to do, we engineer a system that the officer, what he does is he flips this toggle switch right here. Okay, the windows will go down. Okay, and basically a fan comes on the side of the vehicle. Okay, that cools down the dogs inside and keeps them nice and cool. And what we did is we stock a temperature control unit inside the vehicle. So once the car reaches the temperature that the officer selects, the horn will honk in the vehicle and then alert them that the dogs are overheating inside. We got to wait a little while for the temperature to go up in the vehicle. It should take a few minutes and then the horn will start honking. Just bear with me. Let's close the window to make it hotter inside. This project wasn't easy. We had to be precise and engineer a unit that it works 100% perfect because the life of the dogs are inside this vehicle here. See what the temperature says inside, if we can read it. It is it's 76 inside, 76 degree. I set it for 77, so as soon as it reaches 77, you'll hear the horn start honking on the vehicle. And hopefully the officer can hear the horn and he can come out and open the door and let the dog come out and cool down a little bit. Isn't that beautiful? United States Homeland Security. Beautiful. There's the alert. Temperature is 78 degrees. This is the temperature alarm system by Auto Alarm Specialist. Thank you for your time.